Welcome back to the Paybeto Pro Marketing courses. In this advanced module, we're diving deep into the world of link building, a powerful lever for boosting search rankings, driving traffic, and building lasting digital authority. Let's get started with advanced link building techniques. White hat versus black hat link building. How to do it. Stick with ethical white hat methods. Avoid risky tactics like link farms and private blog networks. Always stay updated on Google's algorithm changes, like Penguin. Most importantly, create high-quality content that earns natural backlinks. Why it matters. White hat equals long-term SEO success. Black hat equals Google penalties or worse, de-indexing. Play by the rules, build credibility, and win sustainably. Guest posting and outreach strategies. How to do it. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to find high-authority sites in your niche. Send outreach emails that offer value, not just a request. Write high-quality, relevant content. And build lasting relationships with website owners. Why it matters. Guest posts help expand your audience, build trust, and strengthen your domain authority. It's a win-win when done right. Broken link building. How to do it. Identify broken links using tools like Screaming Frog or Check My Links. Reach out to the site owner with a helpful message. Offer your own relevant, high-quality replacement content. Why it matters. You help them fix their site and earn a backlink in return. It's effective, ethical, and user-friendly. Link reclamation and unlinked mentions. How to do it. Use tools like Google Alerts or mention to find where your brand is talked about but not linked. Politely ask for that missing link. Also, monitor for lost backlinks and reach out to restore them. Why it matters. Reclaiming links protects your SEO value and turns passive mentions into active traffic drivers. Advanced content-based link building. How to do it. Create top-tier content. Think ultimate guides, case studies, infographics, and reports. Then promote it through email outreach, social media, and PR. Partner with influencers to expand your reach. Why it matters. Great content earns links naturally and positions you as an industry leader. Digital PR and newsworthy link building. How to do it. Use HARO to connect with journalists. Write press releases for newsworthy updates. Build relationships with media pros. Why it matters. PR-based links from trusted outlets boost brand visibility and search rankings at the same time. Social media and community-based link building. How to do it. Share your content on LinkedIn, X, formerly Twitter, and niche forums like Quora or Reddit. Join community conversations and add genuine value. Host webinars or roundups to spark engagement. Why it matters. You build real relationships while generating organic backlinks through community trust, competitor analysis, and reverse engineering. How to do it. Use tools like Moz and SEMrush to analyze competitor backlinks. Study their strategies, spot the gaps, and replicate what works. Then, aim to do it better. Why it matters. You gain actionable insights and discover untapped backlink opportunities. Measuring and monitoring link building success. How to do it. Track your backlinks using tools like Google Search Console or Majestic. Evaluate quality, anchor text, and authority levels. Conduct regular link audits to keep things clean. Why it matters. What gets measured gets managed. You'll uncover what's working and where to improve, avoiding Google penalties and following best practices. How to do it. Audit links regularly and disavow any toxic ones. Avoid manipulative schemes and stick with organic growth. Always follow Google's webmaster guidelines. Why it matters. You stay in Google's good books. Protect your rankings and build a long-term digital asset. Congratulations! You've just explored the top techniques used by SEO professionals worldwide. Implement these strategies, monitor your progress, and build a solid backlink profile that boosts your site's visibility and authority.